Challenge for today. Try using at least 5 new words from today's vocabulary in your conversations. Start a casual conversation with someone and keep it going for at least 3 minutes. Record yourself speaking on a random topic for 1 minute and listen to identify areas for improvement.
Arav nervously entered the cafe where he was supposed to meet Mr. Mehta, a senior manager at a well-known tech company. He had applied for a job, and though this was an informal meeting, he wanted to make a good impression. As soon as Mr. Mehta arrived, Arav stood up and greeted him with a polite smile. "It's a pleasure to meet you, sir." Mr. Mehta returned the smile. "Let's keep this casual. Tell me about yourself." Arav tried to engage in the conversation by speaking with a confident tone. He talked about his experience and skills, making sure to stay on point. At one moment, Mr. Mehta raised his hand. "Sorry to interrupt, but could you clarify how you handled that project challenge?" Arav nodded and explained it again. Mr. Mehta seemed impressed. "That's interesting. You express your ideas well." To show his gratitude, Arav made a small gesture by offering to pay for the coffee. Mr. Mehta chuckled. "That's kind, but not necessary." As the conversation wrapped up, Mr. Mehta said, "I'll discuss this with my team. We'll get back to you soon." Arav left feeling positive. He had turned a casual meeting into a meaningful opportunity just by communicating effectively.